We're just siphoning out all the water that's left in the sump, and then we can lean it on its back, and we can remove these 4 screws that hold on the bottom plate. They're just Phillips head screws. Once we get these off, it's very easy just to lift off this bottom drip pan. Just pulls away, and then we have easy access to all the components of the Miele dishwasher. And now that we have that removed, we can see the heater pressure switch, and this is the little blue connector that we remove, and then we're going to remove this green ground strap, just a spade connector. And then looking around the dishwasher, we also see how easy it is to remove that. We just turn that counterclockwise, and we lift it right up, and the heater pressure switch comes right out. Just want to show you guys a couple of the parts. So this is the heater relay, and it has 3 modular connections, and is held in by Phillips head screw, so it's easy to take that out. And just got to make sure those modular connections are tight. And then here we have the top solo valve. This valve just allows you to do just the upper rack if you choose to. We're just making sure the connection's tight. This is the drain pump, and to take it off you just turn it to the left, very easy. This is the fan that cools it down. You want to make sure it can turn. It's a capacitor, make sure you don't touch those terminals. This is the heater temperature probe, the one that goes into the sump. So make sure that connection's tight. Already talked about that one. Here's the motor down here, and here we have the capacitor for the motor. Don't want to touch those terminals, you can get shocked pretty bad. And again, the heater pressure switch, very common problem on the Miele dishwasher. Sometimes you have to replace these. Top solo valve, and then sometimes you get a bunch of water caught in the drip pan. You got to remove this front panel, and then this styrofoam float moves up when there's a bunch of water, and it makes the dishwasher go into a drain mode. It won't let any new water come in, and it won't start a cycle. It'll just keep draining. So you have to get all that water out so it doesn't push up on this float. And then this is the panel that we put back on. We just have to make sure that this round part here goes right up against that float. We don't want to put it on backwards. Get it up in there, and we put on our 4 screws to tighten it up. And that is your way around the Miele dishwasher. Appreciate you guys watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thanks again. Bye-bye.